Pehia, pehia, te pauri nui, e mai haere mai, ngā iwi katoa, anei aku ringa ringa e.
Taku ingoa ko Michael Thomas. I used to live down the pāhia, brought up with Joe and Corpus Stafford, but we never got into te reo. But all the old people used to speak it, and Auntie Hannah, that's Corpus and Bill's mother, she used to speak it all the time. She was really lovely, Auntie Lou. She'd come home from practice and then she would do a song up, and then the following week you used to go down and then she's teaching us that song, which she did in the reo. She goes, okay Michael, we've got a new song. This is how it goes, and then I used to have to play it on the guitar. I was a guitarist in our group, and then, Auntie Lou used to, our tutor, she used to speak Māori, and all we did was sing the songs. You know, we didn't sort of speak the reo and that, and that's how it was down here. I used to go to classes and that, but if you don't keep up with them, you lose it. And they give you all these certificates and all that, you know, because you've been to their reo classes and that, but doesn't stay long. I even said to my brother Barney, I said to him, oh look, I don't know how to speak Māori. And he's going, well, you won't need to because you sing it. And I'm going, yeah, but it's not the same, you know, because he does, he speaks it and all that, yeah.
In my parents' days, I felt for that generation, because my father was expelled because he was beaten by the teacher for speaking te reo at Marlborough Boys College. And he was affected by that because after he was given the cane, he beat the teacher, and so he was expelled. The time is right now for us to enhance and move forward on the reo, to move forward on our culture, our tikanga, and especially our history. And that's, you know, that's one thing that when I was at college, we were taught about the Prussia and Russia and the French Revolution. We weren't taught about the Wairau affray. We weren't taught our own history. Right throughout New Zealand, there's a lack of capacity with respect to looking after our marae, making sure that we have our waiata, making sure that we have our kaikiranga, making sure that we have our kaikorero. There is a requirement to have the capacity to fill those roles. And actually that also looks at the hauora, the oranga of our whānau, our hapu and our iwi. I'm feeling reasonably comfortable. It's just a matter of having the will and the commitment. And you know, I hear that there are a lot of Europeans who are now wanting to learn the reo, and that's fine, but you know, again, we're on the back foot because our people are struggling to make ends meet, and yet we're asking them to consider taking on the reo, yet they're trying to raise their families, have an income. 6 years ago, actually there was nothing happening from the runanga in relation to wānanga. So the reo is really, really important moving forward, but just as important as the tikanga, the culture and the history. So they all have to run together, and we need to leave a legacy for our next generation. It's our responsibility to do that, and this is what this wānanga is about. This wānanga is about leaving that legacy for them to fully understand the history, the hurts of our people, because if they don't understand that, then we don't want them to make the same mistakes in the future.